Building credit doesn't have to be hard. If you're wanting to take the next steps, I'm going to show you what you can do starting today, no matter where you are in your credit journey. This is lesson 2 on understanding your credit. So what does building your credit mean? Essentially, we are looking at being able to borrow and repay debt on time. We want to show the history of that. So when you have a better credit score, you generally have lower interest rates, you have a higher chance of getting an approval for a loan like a credit card, a mortgage, even an auto loan. There's a few easy things that you can do, whether you're rebuilding credit or maybe you don't have any credit at all. The first one is an authorized user. Now, I tell you this and I say be very cautious with this, because the person that you are wanting to be an authorized user on their credit for, you need to wholeheartedly, full on trust these people, because you are essentially piggybacking on their line of credit. For example, a credit card. So if you are maybe a student and you want to be an authorized user on your parents' credit card, something along those lines. But again, you want to make sure that they are always paying their bill on time. They are keeping low utilization so that you are taking on the benefits of being an authorized user. Another option that I really love, and I did when I first started out with credit, was get a secured credit card. So this is not like a traditional credit card where you just go apply online and they give you a $500 line of credit and you call it a day. A secured credit card is when you are putting the money up front to get that line of credit. For example, let's say you have $200 to spare in your savings account and you reach out to the creditor and say, hey, I want a line of credit for $200, and you make that initial deposit. So essentially you are borrowing against your own money. The last option I want to talk to you about is self-reporting utilities and even your rent payment. So self-reporting utilities, if you make your phone payments, any sort of like water bill, electric, gas, any utilities that you pay that are in your name, reach out to those companies and ask them to do what's called self-reporting utilities. Now, again, if you are making these payments on time, it makes sense to go ahead and have them report to the credit. Same with your rent. Reach out to your landlord, see if they are a company that are willing to report to the credit bureaus, and now you just added a third potential line of credit. So at the end of the day, whether you're looking to buy a house, finance a car, or maybe get your first credit card, these are options I would suggest when it comes to building your credit, so that down the road, when you are looking to take on a larger purchase, you have the ability to do so with hopefully the best interest rates and the best terms, because you built your credit ahead of time.